This is the walk around of the Honda CB750 K2 1974 Gold. As you can see, this is a very nice restoration performed by an elderly gentleman in Sweden. The engine is fully refreshed. All fluids are changed. All filters are changed. Carburetors are cleaned and tuned. All exhaust pipes are Honda originals. New tires, new seat, no rust. Both front wheel and rear wheel are fully restored with spokes and rims. All original bolts are restored. The paint job is nice, but it is done by himself, and I wouldn't call it perfect, but it is really good. Same thing with the engine. It's nicely done, but it's not fully renovated. As you can see, a lot of the chrome is brand new. The entire brake system is renovated.